Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word bereavement. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The family was still in the depths of bereavement after the sudden loss of their beloved father. Bereavement refers to the state of grieving and mourning the death of a loved one, typically involving feelings of sadness, loss, and sorrow. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.